Welcome, your mighty pride, Texas Pop.
Once upon a time in a hood, I was ugly. Came from
راځئ چې نن مو دې سټیډیم ته ننکم. په دې سټیډیم کې د باسکټبال لوبه روانه ده د امریکا د ټکساس او اوکلاهوما ایالتونو ترمنځ. دا لوبه ما خپل هم کله نه ده لیدلې او شاید تاسو به هم کله نه وي لیدلې. په اسیایي ملکونو کې دا لوبه دومره نشته ده، زیاتره په بهرنیو ملکونو کې امریکا، استرالیا، همداسې کاناډا او یو کې کې دغه لوبې کېږي. نو راځئ تاسو هم وګورئ، زه هم وګورم چې دا لوبه څنګه کېږي. ګرد چاپېره مینهوال روان دي خلک او انتظامیه هم ګرد چاپېره ولاړه دی، پولیس. نو راځئ چې ورشو دننه. نو سیکورټي چیک پوینټ مې کراس کړو او میدان ته راننوتم. راځئ چې ځو داسې مخکې. ګرد چاپېره پکې خوراک هم خرڅېږي. دا سټیډیم دی.
I got away with the white, you just like your father, and he was a wreck. So that means he raising the mice, yeah. I had it trapped in the night, yeah. I put that kid on the flight, yeah. Shout out the same night. Late in the beach, it was raining night. I woke up there on the pedestal edibles. I'm trying to hit them the same night. I put two on the same flight. Cooked up 2 bricks in the same pot. I chop up.
Texas fans horns up for the eyes of Texas. Welcome, your mighty pride, Texas Pop. Substitution for Oklahoma in the game, number 14, Bijan Cortez. In for the Longhorns, Andrew Jones for Marcus Carr.
Scared. We gotta get it done. We gotta unite Texas basketball. When Texas basketball is united, it can't be stopped.
Everyone on your feet and make some noise for the starting lineup for your Texas Longhorns. A 6'6" forward from Mesa, Arizona, number 0, Timmy Allen. A 6'4" guard from Irving, Texas, number 1, Andrew Jones. 6'2" guard from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, number 2, Marcus Carr. A 6'3" guard from St. Louis, Missouri, number 3, Courtney Ramey. A 6'7" forward from Lee Summit, Missouri, number 32, Christian Bishop. Coach of the Texas Longhorns is Chris Beard.
Get over here. We gotta get set. I'm here with your number 3 nationally ranked men's tennis team. Give it up for these boys right here. They're taking on number 1 Florida this Sunday at home. The first 100 students get free pizza and the first 100 fans get free t-shirts. So make sure that you are there. But speaking of t-shirts, we got the mighty fine Gatling gun. Who wants a t-shirt?
first, fourth team foul on the Sooners. Entering the game for the Sooners, number 2, Emotion Gibson. Personal foul, number 4, Dylan DeSue. His first team foul on the Longhorns. Jump ball, possession, Oklahoma.